Presidente, comisario, colega.
Thank you, President. Commissioner, colleagues, egocentric narcissist, a manipulator, without any empathy, without any remorse, and with a pathological need for control and power. That's Pedro Sánchez. Pedro Sánchez, who for years in Spain stated that an amnesty law would be anti-constitutional, has, in order to stay in power and to get the votes from 7 separatist members of parliament to adopt an anti-constitutional amnesty law, which is a frontal attack on the separation of powers and thus in democracy. These are people accused of tax fraud, disobedience, battery, terrorism, and this is just some of the crimes committed by the those who are being amnestied, and which they can't be tried for now. They attacked our democracy, and Article 2 of the treaty, our union, is based upon the rule of law. Well, the rule of law obtains when the laws are generally applicable to all, when they are permanent and applicable to all, and there's a separation of powers. And then an amnesty law has the devastating effect of depriving the judges of their constitutional rights to judge things that need judging. The Constitutional Court, university professors and other authorities in Spain are unanimously saying that this is like a coup d'etat against the rule of law. Amnesties are only acceptable if they're expressly provided for in the Constitution. Portugal, Italy, certain countries in Europe, because there's the Constitution that states how the power is distributed among the powers of the state. Whereas our Constitution expressly prohibits general pardons. So this is not just anti-democratic, this is a coup d'etat. So much so that Sánchez changed the legal officer in the Congress so they could drop a specific report for him. We Spaniards despise Sánchez. Spaniards turned out in huge numbers in unprecedented democratic demonstrations every night in the street. The Spaniards are demanding law and justice opposite the Socialist Party's headquarters in Calle Ferraz. This is a symbol of peaceful coexistence, peaceful resistance, rather, by citizens right across the world, and the international press reflect the undue influence and means used by Sánchez against young people who are demanding this on the streets. We need a determined response to defend the rule of law in Spain, because we can see how Spain is going down towards the bitter road to tyranny, and Brussels is sitting on its hands. Brussels is silent. Nobody can defend double standards, because we have often heard homilies against the conservative governments of Poland and Hungary. And the situation in Spain is far more serious. Sánchez has converted Spain into a space of impunity where criminals are rewarded and victims are humiliated. Humberto Ruiz, you have woken Spain. Spain has woken up. And that the young people are on the streets demanding freedom and justice, and just as in the best days in the past. Constant mobilization for all Spaniards. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The next speaker is Mr. Garot for 1.5 minutes.